Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your Apple ID. First of all, go to any browser you want and search Apple ID create. Once you have done that, click on the first link. After you've clicked on the first link, it will help you to create your Apple ID. First of all, you gotta input the following information. First of all, add your first name and then your last name. After that, choose the country or region you're currently in. Once you've done that, add your birth date. After that, add your email here. Once you have done that, create a password. Once you have done that, confirm your password. And now finally enter your phone number. And now if you scroll down, you will have to enter the text which is here on the image onto this tab. So for me, it's XG1M. All on caps. So let's click on continue. Once you have done that, Apple will send a verification email to your Gmail. So go to your Gmail account, and on your Gmail account you can see there is a OTP. Copy the OTP and paste it here and click on continue. Now you'll also have to verify your phone number. So Apple will send code to your phone. For me, it's 281584 and click continue. So congratulations, you have successfully created your Apple ID. If you want more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.